Good evening, students. So, yesterday we had done the alphabets in French language. So, today we are just going to do a bit in detail of the same topic which we covered yesterday. So, first, if we are going to take as A. So, A is pronounced as A, and comme is for say or for anything you can say, and avion. This is a comme avion. Meaning of avion is aeroplane. B comme bobo, candy. C comme café, coffee. D comme dance, dance. E comme Eric, Eric. Eric can be the name of any boy. F comme fille, girl. G comme G, that is sweater. H comme homme, man. E comme image, photo. G comme journal, magazine. K comme Kevin. Kevin is again can be the name of any boy. L comme livre, book. M comme montre, wristwatch. N comme nid, nest. O comme oiseau, bird. P comme portable, mobile phone. Q comme costume, question. R comme règle, stick or ruler. S comme stylo, pen. T comme table, table. U comme ion, one. V comme voiture, car. W comme wagon, wagon. X comme xylophone, that is xylophone. Y comme yo-yo, this is the yo-yo again same. Last we have Z. So Z comme zebra. I hope you are able to see this. This is Z comme zebra. Meaning is zebra. So that is all we have done today. And tomorrow I'll be coming up with a new topic video for all. Thank you so much. Till then, thank you.